Hey Tech Explorers! Today we're checking out two popular Linux operating systems, Zorin OS and Ubuntu. They're both free, like a free alternative to Windows, and they're known for being easy to use even if you're new to Linux. Ubuntu, launched in 2004, is like the superstar of Linux. It's very stable, gets updated a lot, and has a huge online community for help. It's like that reliable friend who's always there. Zorin OS, launched in 2008, is designed to be familiar. If you're used to Windows or macOS, Zorin OS makes switching easy. It has different versions for different needs. Both are free to download and use. You can try them without spending any money. Download the files, put them on a USB drive, and start your computer from it. You can even try them without installing. Section 2, user-friendly face-off. Which is easier? First impressions are important. Zorin OS has a sleek, modern look. It has different layouts, so you can make it look like Windows or macOS. This makes it super easy to switch from other systems. Ubuntu has its own unique look called GNOME. It's clean and simple, with everything easy to find. The newest GNOME versions are much easier to use, even for beginners. Both have app stores where you can install software with a few clicks. No more searching for files on weird websites. Everything is organized and easy to find. Section 3, under the hood performance and system requirements. Let's see what's happening inside. Both Zorin OS and Ubuntu are built on Linux, known for its speed. They can make old computers feel new. Zorin OS has different versions with different system requirements. The light version is great for older, slower computers, while Core and Pro have more features and cool visuals. Ubuntu also has different versions. Ubuntu Desktop is the most popular for everyday use. It runs well on many computers, from cheap laptops to powerful desktops. Both are fast. Ubuntu, with its big community and regular updates, is known to be very stable and reliable. Zorin OS, based on Ubuntu, is also stable and reliable. Section 4. Make it your own customization. One of the best things about Linux is making it yours. Zorin OS and Ubuntu let you customize a lot. Zorin OS goes further with its Zorin Appearance app. You can change everything from the look to the icons and fonts. It's like a makeover studio for your computer. Ubuntu also lets you customize, though it might take a little more work. You can install different looks, icons, and add-ons. Whether you like a simple setup or want to change everything, both give you the tools. So which one? If you're new to Linux and want something familiar, Zorin OS is great. Its Windows-like interface is perfect for beginners. If you want a strong system with a huge community and lots of customization, Ubuntu is the way. It takes a bit more effort, but gives you a truly personal experience. Welcome to the world of Linux.